Missing something in your life? Wake up with us.
Good morning.
Catch up with This Morning Show.
I'd like us to bring to a close this conversation that we're having today. Very real talk in real time based off of what we are seeing online in different WhatsApp groups, in on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and many young. And that's the other thing. I have seen comments of people saying these girls seem very, very young. And those that are of the same sexual orientation or prefer same-sex relationships, the older ones, the more mature ones would never be caught out holding a camera to their faces because they know better. It will affect maybe their jobs. It will affect, they might get arrested. They know the repercussions. So for these youngins to go out there, cameras on their, faces and their friends taking them saying, oh my gosh, then is a bit also irresponsible, even seen from that same community. They're saying, you know what, you children need to chill. So interesting conversations that I've been seeing online. In closing, all I can say, and in fact, let's give the last bit of in closing after we listen from this guy who sent in a voice note. Nick from Nakuru actually had this to say pale kwenye voice note yake.
I think this is mainly because of some people decided to show up because I believe they were laying low because of the fear of judgment, but from the society. But now, because of just some few of them surfacing, it made an uproar for the rest who are just laying low to surface. Like it's some people believe they're doing it because of the peer pressure that's in it.
All right.
They're like, my other guys are doing it, so why can't I?
Why can't I? Okay. In closing, what I would say is, like I mentioned before, when you open your relationship out and your sexual preference out into the open space, then you welcome everything else that comes with it, okay? Whether heterosexual or homosexual. Ridicule will come in, judgment will come in, the law will come in, all those online in-laws will come in. So all of that will come in, and you need to also be very, very careful. If you want your business out there, and in this case now for the same-sex relationships that we are seeing, understand the law is still very clear. It has not changed, and it is very much illegal in Kenya to be a homosexual. So with every bit of legality included, understand what you're putting yourself into.
My take is simple. If you look at the music that the young generation is making, if you look at the videos that the young generation are shooting, even for the music, the kind of lyrics that these guys are talking about, this generation is going to do whatever they want regardless of how we feel. That is just as simple as that. We might say their laws, because we've seen it in their music, we have seen it in their videos, they dance like even with boy girl, and now you're seeing it on their social media. And it's gotten to a point where they've just decided this is what you're going to do, hakuna kitu mnatuambia, and life goes on.
All right. Okay.
I think the two of you have pretty much summed it up almost completely. I think going forward, if this is, we obviously can't predict where things are going to go in terms of legal battles, in terms of global trends. I think in any case where if someone is making a stance towards trying to legalize something, let's spend more time figuring out both sides.
Right.
Let's listen to everyone's sentiments. Let's try figure out who is who and what is what, and try to strive more towards understanding. I think at the end of the day, that's the best policy in ensuring that everyone ends up okay.
Don't miss the best moments of the biggest mornings.
Good morning.
Energy Breakfast Club.
Waking you up weekdays from 6.